Hello, welcome to this video. And my name is Jackie Empowers Ngomesia. I'm coming to you from Orlando, Florida, USA. In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up with LurraLife International or LurraLife Africa. I will show you simple steps on how to get started today. A lot of people from Africa need help with the sign up process. They need some kind of guidelines, step by step guidelines on how to sign up or how to join the company. And this video is exactly what you need. It's going to help you get registered today. So we're going to assume that you've already gone through our business overview video, which is just 3 minutes. You've gone over the compensation plan. Your sponsor has answered all your questions and concerns, and you're ready to go. You're ready to get started. How do you do that? You get a link from your sponsor, the person that shared the opportunity with you. You need to get a registration link from that person. Once you get the registration link, here are the steps to follow. But before I show you the steps, let me say this. You may have done the research all on your own. You may be somebody who understands the industry. You know how network marketing and direct sales works. And you've done your due diligence. You've done all the research work and you're ready to get started. You're just looking for a sponsor. Do not hesitate to contact me and let me be your sponsor. In that case, when you reach out to me via email or on Facebook, all that information is in the description box of this video. I will send you or I will give you a registration link. And once you have your registration link, either from me as your sponsor or from anyone else in the company, you just go here and click on menu and go to join. And the system is going to ask you to choose your country. You want to choose your country of residence. In this case, let's just assume that you're in South Africa. You're going to go select South Africa. And you're going to go to read all this about a distributor's account. And you're going to continue as an independent distributor. You want to click that. The next window will ask you to choose a package. Now, if you're in South Africa or in any other country in Africa that we ship to, I want you to listen to this carefully. I have a big team in Africa. I've been building in Africa for years. I know what is good for Africans. I know what sells in Africa. I know what will bring you profit. Is business. It's all about profit. It's all about you making an extra source of income for you and your family. Here's a package I strongly recommend for you. We have several packages, a lot of them, and very affordable. This is the package I recommend for everyone who is joining LurraLife from Africa. Dr. Miller's Detox Tea Car Bonus Pack. Buy 2, get 1 free. This is it right here. You're going to have 12 packs of tea. They're going to give you, when you buy 2 packs, they're going to give you 1 pack for free. This is the package. I strongly recommend that you get this. There's money in here. It's easy to sell this tea. In my team, I train you how to sell the tea offline and online. The tea goes really fast because it is popular. It's a popular product. And this one is the best detox tea in the market. So you go and you choose this pack. Right here, you click and choose this pack. The next screen that is going to come up is a form for you to fill. Slowly look at it. They're going to ask you to select a username of your choice. Password, confirm password, first name, last name. If you don't have a company, don't worry about company name. If you don't own a company, just put Don't put anything actually. Your phone number, your email, and then they're going to ask for your address. Your address in South Africa or in Zambia or in Ivory Coast or wherever you are. You're signing up from a country that LurraLife ships to. You want to put in your shipping address because we're going to be sending this product out to you. Now you also want to read and confirm, check the appropriate box. If your house address is the same as your shipping address, your billing address, if your shipping address is the same as your billing address, I beg your pardon. So you want to check the appropriate box, and then you want to go ahead and select just a method of payment, a credit or debit card. In South Africa, the Capitec Bank is really popular, and their card works well with online purchases. But any card that you can use to buy anything online can be used to register with LurraLife. Once you choose this, you want to click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to ask you to confirm or to review the information that you've given LurraLife. Make sure it's correct, because if you put in the wrong name or the wrong address, your products may go to a different place or may not be delivered at all. So you want to make sure that you review the information that you've provided and that everything is correct. Once you do that, then the system is going to ask you to join now. Once you click on join now, if everything goes through, you're going to get a confirmation letter welcoming you to LurraLife, giving you your order details and all that, and your website, your URL information. If you do not see a confirmation notice at the end of the process, if you did not see that thank you and welcome, your transaction was processed and all that, that means that it did not go through. It did not go through at all. You will have to do it all over. Again, that was the process. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, contact me on Facebook, and I'll be more than glad to help you through this process. Whether I am your sponsor or not, I'll be more than glad to walk you through this step by step. I will see you in the inside, and welcome to LurraLife.